Alright guys, oh, there's a bee inside my, look at that, this is inside my veil. See, I don't like that. I need to do something about that. Where is it at? See, I don't like that. See, I'm not cool with this. Well, so I'm all about saving the bees, but if I'm gonna get stung by one in my face, I'm gonna kill it. All right. I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday. I got the date wrong yesterday. I got the day right, but the date. But it's October. I want to say the 21st, maybe the 22nd. It's on Tuesday. It's about 5 o'clock. 2025, if you guys want to look it up. Look at all that. All that goldenrod. I mean, goodness gracious. Can y'all see it? That's just beautiful. You know, I have terrible allergies, but the goldenrod does not bother me. I say that because I believe the experts when they say it's not the goldenrod that's the problem, it's the ragweed. So there's a big old sycamore tree. I feel like there's more bees in my suit. I'm sitting right next to my truck. People laugh at me for putting these boots on. The same people who wear blue jeans and a jacket to the bee yard. I can't get away with that. The people who make fun of me, they obviously can. And they probably don't feel bee stings, or maybe their technique's better. I don't know, but I get tore up. So I cover from head to toe if I can. So you got my smoke going. That's going good. I got 2 more hives to use formic acid on.